welcome back to my channel. So I just created this look and I chose not to wear my wig because I've actually been carrying my hair this way for the past 2 weeks. Yeah, anyway, so I hope you like what you see. If you want to see how I got the look, then keep watching. So as usual, I'll be priming my lids with my concealer, and this is the Pro Concealer-Fawn. I'm taking a little bit of almond for under my brows. It's a little lighter than the fawn. I'll be starting just my brow bone with this shade right here. This one. And this is from my Morphe 35O. That's the first 35O palette. And this gives the illusion of a lifted brow bone. I'm not setting the rest of my lids. I'm just going straight into the foundation. I'm going straight into the eyeshadow. So I'm taking this really brownish red color here, and I'll be tapping that into my crease. So next I'm taking my blending brush with this orange shade here. I'll be using that to blend the first color I applied. I'm going back in with the brownish color to intensify my crease a bit more. Going back in to blend it. For my lid color, I'm taking this shade. But first I want to apply a little bit of my concealer so that when I apply the lid color, it would have something to stick on. And this is an almond. I'm using my finger to blend it. And then I'm going in with the lid color. And I'm tapping it in so that the fallout won't be much. And that is it for the lid colors. Lining my eyes with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm using the Rimmel London Stay Matte to prime my face. So I'll be using Maybeline Superstay foundation, and this has become one of my favorites. I'm just using my brush to stipple in the foundation. Oh, by the way, I'm in the shade 356 Rum Coconut. The coverage on this foundation is amazing. So I'm just taking my smaller blending brush to apply the foundation where my big foundation brush couldn't get to. I just can't talk today. I don't even know why. Don't you just love this foundation? I really don't know why it took me so long to get it. But anyway, now I have it. So to conceal some parts of my face, like my forehead, under my eyes, my nose, and my chin, I'll be using my Pro Concealer-Fawn as usual. And this just brings out the structures of your face, like brightens up your face, while the contour hides some parts of your face. Did I ever tell you one of the most frustrating things doing your makeup is forgetting to wet your sponge before sitting to apply your makeup? So annoying. So I had to get it to wet my sponge and I'll be back. So I just did that, and I would use my sponge to blend in the concealer. And I'm not taking it all the way into my hairline because that look is not cute. I'm stopping here, then I'll go in with my foundation brush to blend. Sadly, I apply so much of the concealer on my forehead because I'm not trying to bring in more attention into my big forehead. So I'll do more of the contour. Yeah. To set where I applied the concealer, I'll be using my Nye Banana Powder. It's been a while I used this, so I'm setting the sides of my mouth because God knows I need it. It just reduces creasing. And if I skip this, it's you think I have a tribal mark of it. It's that bad. So I'm just dusting away the excess powder. To set the rest of my face that I didn't conceal, I'll be using my face powder, which is this Milani Conceal+Perfect powder. And this just adds a little more coverage. So to contour my face, I'll be using a darker shade of powder, and this has become one of my favorite things to do. I'm blending it into my cheekbones, so to give the illusion of a lifted face. So this is where I do more of the contour on my forehead because, like I said, she's big. Not even with this my hairstyle. bringing it a little into my jawline. Next, I'm taking this blush palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'll be using this shade. I'm really trying to be fast because I'm using natural light and it's looking like it's about to rain. I'm using an angled brush, and this is also from BH Cosmetics. I'm blending over my contour so there are no demarcations. Funny enough, when I first started makeup, I didn't like blush, but now I'm so in love with it. I almost forgot to contour my nose. Should I forgot? I just remember. So back to my eyes, I'll be using this brown shade for under my eyes. It was the same shade I used on my lids. Taking this brush from Real Techniques to apply. So next I'm taking this orange shade, trying to blend out the color I just used. And then I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette, which is this dark chocolate brown, on a very tiny brush. I'm placing this closer to my lash line. And then I'm taking my eyeliner, and this is from MasterChrome, a black eyeliner. I'm applying my Loreal Telescopic Mascara on my bottom lashes. This step makes a whole lot of difference. I'm using my Maybeline MasterChrome highlighter. My temples. So for my lips, I'm taking this LA Girl lip liner in dark brown. Then I'm taking this MAC lipstick in Kinda Sexy. I have a sore on this part of my lips, so if you see it, just ignore it. I just applied this sleek pout polish over it. I'm taking my e.l.f. Magic Mist and Set. Even though I'm going away. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like my hair. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. So So I'll see you in my next video.